Dr. Rani Jayamaha, Chairperson of Hatton National Bank, we invite you to address the gathering.
Garutara Sangaratne Avsarai, Venerable Galabata Gnani Thero, the Chief Incumbent of Gangaramya Temple, and the other clergy, Mr. and Mrs. Pathipan, the Organization of Business Today, Honorable Mohan Piris, Chief Justice, and Mrs. Piris, members of the Parliament, Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa, Secretary Defence, and Mrs. Rajapaksa, distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen. HNB is delighted to have been featured in the Business Today Top 25 list from the inception and for retaining its rank at number 5 among the big corporates. It is indeed a privilege to be here today. We thank Mr. and Mrs. Pathipan for organizing this glamorous event each year, as this event encourages and motivates us to raise our performance to be ahead of others. As you are aware, in terms of assets, HNB has surpassed rupees 550 billion and serve our customers through a network of 250 customer centers, making it one of the largest private banks in the country. Despite the challenges, the bank has continued to grow its bottom line whilst reducing non-performing assets ratio to 3.7%, which is well below the industry. With the significant growth expected in the country over the next few years and the alignment of HNB's strategy to capture new opportunities, the bank is poised for growth on a safe and sound footing. Our focus today is to include rationalization, productivity improvement, and pursuing inorganic growth options to complement the solid core business growth. HNB is committed to deliver consistent performance, particularly through innovative digital channels, which complement our traditional brick and mortar presence. Innovation and creativity have helped to shape HNB's future corporate strategy. Our bank is internationally rated and we conform to both local and international best practice. HNB's high performance has been due to the continuous support received from our depositors, borrowers, shareholders, investors, well-wishers, the board of directors, the managing director who is abroad at the moment, and the staff. I take this opportunity to thank all of them for their unstinted support and help. The bank has moved fast on the journey ahead, and while we remain committed and focused all the time. I accept this award very proudly on behalf of the 4,000 plus Hatna family members who have collectively made this possible. Thank you very much.